Hey, guys! Today, let's learn how to use Visual Lookup on iOS 17. So if you guys want to go ahead and use this new feature called Visual Lookup, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you guys how to do this step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out how. Alright guys, so what we need to basically do once we're on here is to go ahead and launch your Photos application and choose a specific photo. So you want to go ahead and launch this photo in screen. So right now, I can't necessarily show you guys that, since I am experiencing some bugs with my screen recording options. But basically, I can teach you guys step by step how to do this. So please just listen to this video and watch it until the end. Alright guys, so once you've already chosen your photo, basically, I've chosen this photo right here. I want you guys to proceed with opening this photo in full screen. So basically, you need to go ahead and tap on this photo. And what you need to go on here is to tap on the Start Info button. Now once you're already on the Start Info button, basically, what that is gonna look like is something like this. So as you see, I've already tapped on my Start Info button right here. And basically, the Info button is gonna look like this option right here. Once you launch the specific photo in full screen, once you tap on that, you're gonna see this option to the basically select the Visual Lookup. Now, as you see, we already have one over here, and it says to look up dude, since that is what the iPhone algorithm or AI system detects on this photo. So, as you see, could actually tap on this Visual Lookup option and also look of the results that will show from this photo. But that is how you guys could use Visual Lookup on iOS 17. So please like this video and subscribe as well if you learned something. And I'll see you guys on the next video.